there's a speed recovery mindset. It is very important to know how things exist in creation in the spiritual realm. And in this video, we are going to deal with who are we as a human and the limit to this perception of growth. Why are you called human? The name human is a name used on this planet, which means spirit dwelling in a body. But the real you is a spirit. Your name is human because of your level of perception. When we talk about perception here, we are talking about the awareness of the spirit. How far the spirit can think, how far the spirit can imagine is the awareness of the spirit. And this is the perception of the spirit. You have a great knowledge. This great knowledge makes you a human because you have grown into another level of perception. If you study other animals on the planet, example like a dog, a cat, and bears, you can see that they don't have the awareness and the knowledge you have. So you used to tell yourself, these animals are senseless. They don't think. But I assure you that you also have been a low intelligent animal before. All of us is not created to be a human. What makes you a human is your level of growth. We are all spirit, and in this spirit, we are attaining growth and the power of perception. So these types of animals are the same as human. The reason why they are not created as human is because they have not attained the level of perception you have. Are you created as human? No. The Creator Father, who is called God, do not create any being as human. He created all as spirit. And in the process of growth, you pass through many planets and many forms to attain growth. That is why you will not exist on this planet forever, because you are on the way to attain growth. Are there limits to this perception and growth? No, there is no limit to the perception and growth. That's why you are going to die at the end, because you need to go back and you need to grow. That is what is called on this earth as heaven. There is no limit to any planet. Humans are not creatures who have limit in the process of growth and perception. You are now in the level of human because that's the perception and the growth you are right now. We have known, or we have been taught, that the God who created us has no limit. The same thing applies to you, because the Christian Bible and all other Bible speaks about how creation is made, and they said God created human beings and breathed into you, and they asked the spirit of the God who created you have no limit. The same thing applies to you. You also have no limit in the area of growth and perception, and you are not here the only stage, or you are not here as the only place you are going to exist. But as you die, your spirit, which is you, the real you, is going to another level of perception and growth. So So today we have talked about why are you called human? Are you different from other animals on the planet? Are you created as human? Are they limits to the perception of growth? So if you have any question, comment in the comment section below so that I can see and talk more, and we will have more discussion about the things you need to know.